if I would haven't come to your lab or to your institute, I wouldn't have understood the right way, and I would have wasted my money in filling the exams. I would like to share a vivid dream that I had. Basically, just before getting the result, last night before getting the result, I had a dream that I achieved 100 in speaking, 51 in writing, and I was so nervous and anxious because I gave my 100% and I knew that it was hard to achieve 8 each. I was targeting for 8 each, but somehow with your guidance and with teachers' guidance, I was able to achieve 9 each in my PTE exam, and I'm very grateful. So your institute, I would say, is one of the best institutes I have come to, because here teachers, their only target is to make student understand the right way and to make them feel confident and boost their confidence, right? I had to give the exam twice. In the first attempt, I was like, this is very hard. But when I was practicing for the second attempt, I was told by the teachers here that you would do it.
I'm really glad. Do you think, Himani, practice करके, templates follow करके, classes लेके कुछ हफ्ते की 90 achievable है?
I think PT is an exam where you need to follow some strategies. You need the right guidance because you need to focus on specific areas. If you know about PT, you have a broad idea. I don't think it will be easy for you to achieve 9 each. You could get 6 or 7, but to get 8 or 9, you have to follow the specific strategies. You need to know the marking criteria. You need to know the questions that carry high weightage, and there you help me. Because before coming to you, I did follow your portal and I was able to achieve 7 each. 7, 7 and 9, right? So I was able to achieve 7, 7, 9, 9, but I wasn't able to achieve 9 each or 8 each. So when I met you, you guided me the specific areas where I needed to work on. So your guidance, your team's guidance was, it was must for me. Then only I was able to achieve 9 each, I feel.
I think you have said a really important point, just you mentioned a really important point, that is to understand the high scoring tasks, right? Because sometimes you keep on practicing the tasks which are not scoring. I think that's what you were doing. I remember when you were practicing multiples, right? Choice questions, and you were not sure which task is important, which is not.
Right.
But do you think students, if they just follow the guidance, they are able to crack 90?
So first step is you need to have the right guidance that is given by you and your team. Secondly, consistent practice is must. If you know that you want to give your exam in upcoming days, you have to be very sure that you spend enough time during practicing. You have to practice enough questions that will lead you to get your desired score. So first is the right guidance. Second is the consistent practice.
Correct.
Yes.
I also want to understand what did you do in the reading itself, because it's very hard to get 8 and you have smashed it, right? Something from your own experience, what have you followed? What strategies did you follow, right? Because over here in our institute, we really focus on strategies, approaches, right?
Right.
Your experience, please.
So in reading, the questions that you usually get: reorder paragraph, fill in the blanks, reading and writing. Then we have fill in the blanks related to reading. And beside these 3 questions, we have MCQs. So out of these 5 type of questions, the fill-ups, they are quite important. The one with writing and reading, they are very important because they carry more than 40 marks. So first I focused on the high marks questions, that fill-ups and reorder paragraph.
Right.
Secondly, of course, I follow your strategies. So in reorder paragraph, I focused first on making pairs.
Correct.
That is suggested by you in your videos. Secondly, in fill-ups, we need to understand the context and we need to choose the right word, because when they give you the options, usually they are synonyms.
Exactly.
So if you understand the context of the question, you would be able to find the right answer.
Right.
So I feel that if you are going and giving the exam just like that without any guidance, just by preparing yourself, you may lack here.
Right.
You may lack understanding the right way to find out the answer.
Exactly.
So this is what I did in reading.
So guys, to sum it up, it's very important that you understand the context, but on top of that, for reorders, go with the pairing method. If you do not know what is pairing method, you can watch this tutorial over here. But on top of that, with the blanks, as she mentioned, that it's very important to understand the context and find the synonym, because synonyms are mentioned there. You just need to correlate the words, terminologies which are correlated, right? Which goes, like, such as collocations, which goes together, right? So these are the things which really helps you to boost up your marks for reading, and that's what she did. And I think if you guys follow the same techniques, you guys can also get perfect scores in reading module. Yes, 9 in reading. It's not easy. It's not a joke. If she can do it, you guys can also do it. But Himani, let's talk about your experience in the classes, in the coaching, in the labs over here.
So when I came for the strategy class here, I thought that it's so easy. I would be able to do it, right? This is what I thought. But during the time when I was practicing and I was attempting the questions here, I was like, why I'm not getting the right answer? What's wrong here? Then I needed to get into details, and using your strategies, I understood, oh, this is the thing I need to apply here. So basically, if I would haven't come to your lab or to your institute, I wouldn't have understood the right way, and I would have wasted my money in filling the exams. So I would say that, while I was here, I saw other people. Of course, it encouraged me. Moreover, the teachers here, they all were very encouraging, very, dedicated, and they're always telling me that you will do it, don't worry. So it gave me so much of energy to, to practice a lot and to give the exam.
Right.
I had to give the exam twice. In the first attempt, I was like, this is very hard. But when I was practicing for the second attempt, I was told by the teachers here that you would do it.
Yes.
Just be consistent. So I think that push, that motivation, that encouragement is very helpful. And you need to have the right surroundings, right place where people are being so positive. So your institute, I would say, is one of the best institutes I have come to, because here teachers, their only target is to make student understand the right way and to make them feel confident and boost their confidence, right? So yes.
Thank you for your kind words. I'm really, really glad that you could finish your PT not with just 8 each, but with 9 each. And cherry on a cake, she also got her NATI scores as well.
Yeah.
So 25 points, guys, towards her PR, very close to PR now. Huge congratulations to you, Himani. We're so happy for you.
Thank you.
All the best for your future endeavors.
I'm very grateful towards you and all the team members here that you all helped me a lot in getting my desired score. And I would like to recommend everyone here that please come if you want to get your desired score. Don't think twice. Just come here and speak to them. They will definitely make it work for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Himani, and all the best to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Do not forget to watch these 2 tutorials. These 2 tutorials will really help you in your PT preparation.